Hello everybody, welcome back to Sweden and to my workshop. I've had a big problem with my files and the rasp that I have. They've been all just laying about really messily like, so I've been pretty caught up with finals these last couple of months. A lot of tests and studies in school, but now really I found some time to go out and really make sorting with this stuff. So I made a little filing rack that you can see behind me, and it was really lovely just to get out here and make something. It's been a while, long needed. If you like what you see, please don't hesitate to subscribe and hit the like button. And I wish you all a really nice day, wherever you are.